is the best VPN in 2023? I'm here to tell you it's Expressvpn. Now you're wondering why? I'm about to show you and explain to you why I've come to that decision. So let's get straight in. This is the best VPN on the market right now. I'm going to show you exactly. So let's start off with what is a VPN. So a VPN is a virtual and private network, a secure tunnel between your device and the internet. So basically what it's saying, guys, is it's stopping hackers everywhere. Okay, as you can see from this explained diagram, you've got the hackers, the governments, the internet providers. You don't want them seeing your stuff. All right, keep them away. That's why we're using Expressvpn. Okay, there's loads of benefits and advantages. You can change your locations, protect your privacy, increase your security, unlock different websites, and much more. Now, guys, what I want to do is show you why. The link down below gets you this best deal, okay? Because we're talking about a VPN that is lightning quick and it works everywhere, but you can also get up to 5 devices on this. 5 devices at any time, okay? It's got no logs privacy protection. It's industry leading. It's got the best support chat you could ever ask for. And let's compare it. You've probably seen free VPNs all around the internet. Let's compare it to them. On a free VPN, you get nothing apart from relocating your IP address. Here, you've got servers in 94 countries, strong encryption, fast and stable connection, no bandwidth limits. Obviously, the IP address, no activity logs, and 24-hour chat. How to get involved, guys, with this is that link down below. But first, before you do, I'll show you what the VPN looks like. So guys, this is what it looks like. Super easy. And what I really love is the big on button. I like user-friendly things, and this is user-friendly. So guys, all you got to do is click on here if you want to get your countries. All right, they've got so many, like I said before in the previous bit. If you go to all, you can see all the different continents, and you've got your recents. You can actually star these if you want to keep your favorites instead of having a look. But guys, if you want to get into the country, click France, for example, and you see the different ones. Simply click on it and it adds it to the main menu. Then you go big click and we're connected. Look how fast that was, guys. It was the fastest I've ever seen. Disconnect, you just click it as well. Now, even better if you want to go to your settings, okay, simply hit preferences and you can move this around. So you've got all your settings here. Okay, you can go for your protocols, lightweight up, open VPN. I just put automatic. You got your general things you want to do, shortcuts, your browsers, threat manager, and advanced. Now, guys, what I would recommend, okay, is when you're going through them settings, go on the website, look for the settings that make you feel comfortable, and then choose the settings, okay? People are different. People have gamings and Netflix. You might need different settings for each. But the simple of this is you can simply just go here, choose a country, Croatia, connect. And before you can even finish the sentence like that, I try and beat it all the time, it's connected. So guys, that's Expressvpn, and this is why I love it. Here we are, guys. This is the deal. So not only are you getting 3 months for free just by clicking that link down below, you're also getting 49% saved. So it's €6.37. Transfer that into any currency that you want. 3 months for free, guys, and you still get the 30-day money-back guarantee. That gets you everything that we've spoke about today, guys. It's super easy. In 3 steps, you'll be involved, so hit that link down below. There you go, guys. Please hit that link down below if you want that exclusive deal and get straight stuck in to Expressvpn. Hit that like, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you on the next video.